Sometimes we don't have a computer to work at, so we have to use a phone. You can download Office 365 apps from your app store. This happens to be an iPhone 10. So you'll notice I'm looking for Office 365, and I have the opportunity to download a variety of apps for it, including Word. I can also download PowerPoint and OneDrive. I can store documents in my OneDrive. You have a huge amount of storage in there. You can also download Excel, and you'll notice OneNote and other things are in there as well. You do need to download each of the apps that you're going to use. So you'll notice I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to click on one of them. I'm going to show you downloading Excel. Sometimes it takes a while for the apps to download. Remember, just be patient. It is okay if it takes some time for the download process to occur. This is with a high-speed internet, but again, sometimes things get very busy. But notice how easy it is just to download a new app. I can then move it around within my phone. Opening up Excel, you see it's going to actually talk you through being able to utilize it. You can get notifications if you want. There are built-ins already in there. I'm going to show you OneDrive now. In my OneDrive, I have every document that I've saved in my OneDrive on my computer. Notice that there's also a camera feature right there in the middle. I can take a picture of anything. I can scan anything and it will go directly to my OneDrive. Here's a Word document that I created. I had lesson plans there. I can view them on Word, but then I can also choose to edit as well. I can rename the file. I can also open it up in other apps if I wish. So here I am opening up the document so that I'm able to work on it and edit. It works just like the computer, except that I have less screen. But notice I have the ability to change my font, change my sizes. I can add bullets. I can do majority of the features that I can do on the computer itself. I can also ask it to give me a view that is easier to read. So what this did is it stretched out the document so I can read it easier. I also can have my autosave on so that it saves my documents directly to my OneDrive. With my OneDrive, I can share those documents as well. I can send them, I can email them, I can send them with a text. I can send it by AirDrop. I can send it to, again, to my OneDrive itself. So yes, I could actually text a document to somebody that was asking for it, whether it's a colleague or teacher. In Hillsborough County, students and staff can download up to 5 devices, their Office 365. So you can have this on your phone and on your tablet and on your laptop and even 2 more devices. Total of 5. Notice that I have the ability to, in my OneDrive, I can put my documents in a list, or I can have them laid out like this, where I can see them like apps. Here is a PowerPoint that I had created, and I am reviewing it right here. I could go in and open to edit if I wanted to change it. So right there in my OneDrive, I can see that I have a PowerPoint up there in the upper left-hand corner by the mouse. I have Word documents, I've got Excel documents. I can save PDFs, videos, all sorts of files can be saved in your OneDrive.